Locksmith out here. Quick Locks. My wife found him on Facebook, and he is gonna cut me a new key. He was actually able to get the key code from the car, and he should be cutting me a key pretty soon, and we get to do a first fire up. So I ain't gonna be all up in this business and blogging, but I'll let y'all know how it goes. But and then I'll put his information in the link below if it's a good experience. So we'll see what's up. All right, so he was able to get the key programmed to the door lock, and now he is, well, key cut to the door lock, and now he is programming the key fob. So hopefully we'll have a startup here soon. All right, y'all, so Locksmith was able to get me a key, but he couldn't crank the car up. It started, but it wasn't running. So I was about to fake y'all out because I was troubleshooting it and forgot to put the camera up. But basically, it was turning over but wasn't starting. So I checked all these fuses in here. Didn't see anything wrong. See that this says relay and fuse on this side. So I popped it off. And this right here is the fuse box. So when I popped it off, me and my wife, I had the little fuse puller. I still got it in my pocket actually. So I was just going through reading, trying to see, which one of these fuses could be blown. Seeing nothing. Checked all of these. This is the fuel pump, EFI, and ignition, or no, injector. Checked those, nothing. So I'm like, dang, I hope nothing's wrong with this car. And then I just happened to look right here, and this number 10 fuse, it says EMVLV. This fuse is just sitting right here beside the relay. So I plugged it in, and sure enough, went to start the car, and it cranked up with no problems. So I'll let y'all hear it run. It was smoking, so I moved the cars out the way so that we can pull it out. But let's just crank it up. I'm just gonna pull it outside, so and let it run. I don't know the last time this car was running. So there's the key. Jacket is showing it has a misfire, but it was just on a second ago and it was running perfect.
All right.
So, let's check it out. Anyway, the car doesn't start. It was just running with zero issues. I mean, it was super smooth. So I just want to check out this. And then I'll put the scanner on it and see what's up. But it was literally running with no issue at all. It's sounding great. So we'll check into it, and I'll give y'all an update.
First ride.
So y'all see when I pulled it out, it had a crazy misfire, and I was ready to cylinder 1 and cylinder 5, but right now it's not doing it. It's smooth as can be. So probably just need to drive it, maybe change the gas. But right now it's riding great. Now we look crazy riding with this car all smashed up in the front. But gotta do what you gotta do. Ride real good. I don't hear nothing. how do you get gas cycle through. I'm gonna put a gas treatment in it, change the spark plugs, of course give it an oil change, all the normal maintenance stuff. I'm gonna do all that. First key was making sure the car run and drive, and seems to do that just fine. Transmission's just smooth. So we getting somewhere. We seen no one. No, could have been up. Terrible. Alright, so it works. We'll get it figured out. We'll get the bulbs worked out.